Big news, Softr just launched its own native databases and it changes everything. If you're a low-code or no-code builder like I am, you probably run into API limits, sync delays, or laggy performance when you're using external databases as your backend. But this new update from Softr is designed to eliminate those headaches and make your apps faster and more efficient. Today I'm breaking down for you what's new, why it matters, and how you can start using Softr databases to build fast, flexible applications, all without leaving the Softr platform. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Will. I've been in tech for the past decade and now help teams build smarter internal tools through automation to simplify the operations both through these videos and at setupdoc.com. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me directly at will@setupdoc.com or submit your request at setupdoc.com and let us know how we can help. So if you ever built something with Softr along with Airtable as your database, this update is worth your attention. Softr just launched its own fully native relational database built directly into the platform. But what does this mean? Well, it means that you can now manage your own data without relying on external tools like Airtable or Google Sheets, and you will get fast real-time access to sync data plus the ability to create custom tables, define link records, and use advanced field types like formulas, rollups, lookups, file uploads, and way more. You can start from scratch or import your existing data, even use AI to generate sample tables or records in seconds. And here's the best part. You don't have to connect your Softr database to your application right away. You can use your Softr database completely standalone. But if you ever decide to build an application later, linking your database to it will be quick and seamless. Now, when it comes to collaboration, you can easily add team members as well, without worrying about that extra cost for the seat, and tailor different views for different use cases similar to Airtable. You get filters, sorting, and field visibility controls all native. So your marketing team sees only what they need and your operation team sees theirs. But from my point of view, where this is really going to show value is when it comes to app performance. Because Softr databases are native, your apps can be up to 10 times faster compared to when you're using external backends. Because there won't be any sync delay and no API call wait times, minimizing any bottlenecks. Everything will stay in sync instantly and work across both the web and mobile. And if you already have data elsewhere, no problem. Softr will still connect to Airtable, Google Sheets, or Notion, for example. So you can blend data sources without breaking anything. And here's what they said is coming soon as well. According to Softr, a public API along with native support from Zapier, Make, and other automation tools. This means that you'll be able to connect your Softr database into your existing workflows, automations, and even AI agents with ease. Whether you're syncing leads, triggering actions, or sending updates to other platforms, this will all be possible. So whether you're building a client portal, CRM, project tracker, or an internal tool, Softr's ready-to-use templates make it incredibly fast to launch. You can go from zero to live app under 30 minutes without touching a line of code. Now let's answer the most obvious question that everyone has in their mind. Why not keep using external tools like Airtable, Google Sheets, or Notion as your database? Well, let's compare a few factors here. Number one, performance. Softr databases are built in so your apps run much faster because, as I mentioned earlier, there's no sync delays, no API bottlenecks. You will get real-time updates without jumping through any hoops. Number two, cost control. Unlike many external tools, there are no per-seat editing charges. You can invite collaborators freely without watching your bill grow. Number three, no API limit drama. Some external platforms often come with a strict API call limits. With Softr native databases, you don't have to worry about hitting any usage caps or paying extra. And number four, security and compliance. Softr is SOC 2 and GDPR compliant, and because everything lives inside one platform, you have more control over your data access and privacy. And finally, number five. This is that you will have a unified workspace. With external databases, you constantly switch in between tools. Softr brings your data and app under one roof. With no integrations, no context switching, you only get one clean connected experience. So if you're building for speed, scalability, and simplicity like I am, Softr databases are a no-brainer. So all this is so exciting. Softr just gave us a full stack solution for our data, our applications to put everything under one platform. So if you've been relying on Airtable, Notion, or Google Sheets and hitting any roadblocks, this might be your sign to explore Softr databases. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel if you want more no-code breakdowns like this one. And add your questions in the comments or submit them at setupdoc.com. We'll be happy to answer them. I appreciate you for watching like always, and I'll see you in the next one.